Hey everyone, welcome. I will be showing you how to use Relevance AI email agent and trigger. So let's just begin. So first of all, what you need to do is this is actually super easy to create an email agent and a trigger. So it is going to be basically AI based. For that, what you need to do is simply click on this new tool option on Relevance AI and simply slam in here AI email agent and trigger model, or basically agent. It is already written there. Click on start, just wait for a couple of seconds. It is going to be asking you some question on the left side of your screen. It is analyzing some messages, so just hold on a bit, and now let's just see what it is going to be coming up with. So you can see it is saying preparing and now sharing with inventor is basically the agent working behind all of this. So it is asking, should the agent send emails automatically based on certain triggers or just draft emails for review, or what platform or email service, example Gmail or Outlook, should this tool integrate with. So I'm going to be typing in here for first question, it should do stuff automatically, and for second, it should use Gmail. Okay, now let's just hit enter and see what it is going to be coming up with. Okay, our tool is ready to use. Now it is just doing some of its magic in the back end, and once it does, our tool is ready to go. And that's how, my friend, you can use Relevance AI to create email agent and trigger. So I hope this helps. To access Relevance AI, use the link in the description below to get some extra rewards.